Hi, I'm Baghel. I'm founder and CEO of the Sigmatek Corp. Before starting Sigmatek, I was a senior manager with the federal government, and before that, I was a chief enterprise architect for Raytheon and Lockheed Martin. In my 20 years of building enterprise solutions, I've worked from development positions to chief architect to senior management and executive positions. I have vast experience in developing solutions, and I know the pain points of the end customers and my clients. The problem in the current enterprise world is there are too many solutions that provides a very narrow part of the business, like human resources from PeopleSoft or financial from Oracle or supply chain from SAP. And these solutions do not have a single interface for the end users, and they have to keep on learning multiple different technologies and understand how the nuances of each application works. Our solution is to provide a single user interface. Most solutions are behind the scenes. They integrate different technologies, but nothing in front of the customer, nothing for the end user. Imagine if you can basically go to the same screen to Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, all these applications, and you don't even know where you're publishing your videos or your pictures, and they automatically get published. That's pretty much what we're trying to do for the enterprise. Regardless of the user is trying to make a voucher for in the financial system or trying to order an online airplane reservations, they should be using the same application. The look and feel should be same, and they should have to keep on learning new technologies. Our revenue model is 50% direct licensing, 20% software as a service. The cloud part, we want to basically provide to our customers who do not have a direct data center or technology center. 20% is consulting, where we will customize the applications for end users, and 10% through our OEM partners like Microsoft or IBM. If they want to use our user interface, we would be providing integrated solutions. We are estimating $100,000 per user, per customer per year, and we are expecting 95% of retention, because once you have the user interface for the enterprise and you train your employees, you would rather enhance it than change it. The total addressable market is pretty huge in US alone. In US alone, we are estimating $1 to $1.5 billion of revenue. And that is a conservative side, because we are only looking at the end clients with 100 millions or more in the revenue. The key is that we are using the open architecture, but at the same time we have our own trademarks on the application, and we also have patents that are unique to our applications. So the open architecture provides an ease of use and finding resources easily in the market, but at the same time there is specialty that cannot be copied from Sigmatek Corp by another company. For sales and marketing, we are targeting both large, medium, and small customers. The large and medium enterprises like banks, insurance, manufacturing, and government already has complex software systems. There are small businesses which are still growing. They're worth $10 or $15 million, and they are using multiple vendors, but they're not reaching a breaking point. And we can introduce our software earlier for them, and we can provide a permanent solution for both big and small enterprise. Our selling point is we really do not have a direct competition. There's no other company who does this thing or make a universal client for all the softwares. There's a zero maintenance cost. We will be maintaining the software for the end users, whether it's on premises or on cloud. The architecture is flexible. It can be basically installed in-house on their servers, or it can be used from the cloud. We can customize the solutions for each company. For the retail part, we are opening both the channels. We have direct sales through our online stores, our partner stores like CDW and Computer Associates. We are also licensing through our OEM partners, for example, Microsoft or IBM. We are partnering them for the technology, and they can use our solution at their client side. Again, in terms of competition, as I said, Sigmatek Corp, as you can see on the right top corner, when it comes to enterprise solution and consulting both, we are the only company. Accenture, Booz Allen, Cognizant, all these big 5 consulting companies are in consulting, and they own those. They basically sell the OEM solutions coming from IBM, Oracle, or Microsoft, but they don't have their own solutions. There's no company that basically build both enterprise solutions for a single user interface and sell their products too. We are unique in that sense. The team, as I introduced myself, I have 20 years of experience designing enterprise solutions. I've basically dealt with the pain at multiple clients like United Airlines, FDIC, Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, USPTO. I'm working with judiciary in the government right now. And I've dealt with multiple banks, Wells Fargo, ABN AMRO Bank. I was the chief architect. So I've known the problems, and I know the solution would work. The other partner is Baghel. He's our CFO. He has more than 40 years of experience in banking and financial industry. He's an expert in commerce and industries, and is specialized in large multi-million-dollar industries. Dr. Doris Penn is our advisor, and she's also invested in the company. She's a scientist. She has a PhD in geological science, and she is also working in deep learning, artificial intelligence world. We are expecting with the $5 million investment by the end of this year, 2019, we'll have a cash flow positive by 2021. We have $50,000 cash available right now, and we have a very small $20,000 debt. We are targeting 5 million series around by December 2019, and we'll be spending that money to hire new developers, building a new sales team, because no product is worth anything if it cannot be sold. We are also looking to build our SaaS infrastructure using Azure and Amazon services. We are basically trying to make a company, including our office space, that we can deal with our large customers and provide them with the service that they deserve. Any questions and concerns, please contact us. You have our contact information, and thank you very much.